This conference will now be recorded.
Hi friends, welcome to the 90. My name is Ratan. As we're discussing COREJAVA assignments, because in this video we'll take one assignment. Every video will take one assignment, right? Yeah, take the starting number. Yeah, take the starting number. Take the ending number. Print all the numbers from starting to ending. Okay. Just take the starting number. Take the ending number. Print all numbers from starting to ending. Very simple thing. Huh? Just you can pause the video. Yeah, all assignments you're doing the same, right? Just you can pause the video first, then you can start writing the assignment. Take the rough work, guys. Take the rough book and start write the assignment. Then you can start the video. Then you can check what I written, so you can cross check whether you're writing correctly or not. You got the point, right? Yeah, what the question is? Take the starting number, take the ending number, print all numbers from starting to ending. Good. Just to do the practicals, let me use edit plus more. So some questions are done with the ID, some questions I'm doing with the edit plus, right? Yeah. Yes, edit plus, just you can take the class name is called test class. Class name is test class, right? His first point is what? Check the requirement slowly, guys. Take the starting number. Okay, fine. Take the starting number. Then system dot out dot println. The system dot out dot println. Enter the starting number. Enter what ma? Enter the starting number, right? Exactly. Yes, first of all, to take the number, we require which class here? Scanner class, right? Scanner is equal to new scanner. The system dot in, right? Exactly. And the scanner class belongs to which package here? Util package. Let me import Java data. Java data, util data. Which class here? Scanner class, right? Exactly. There is a point. Enter the starting number. Then I can take the starting number. Scanner dot what method? Next int method. Scanner dot next int. Then you can take the integer starting number, right? Start value. Start, right? In the same way, can you please take the ending number? The system dot out dot println of. So tell me, so enter the what? Ending number, right? Enter the ending number. Okay, so how can you take the ending number? Tell me. Scanner data. Again, you can go for the next int method. Then you can take the int end value. Okay, starting value, ending value. Now the question is what you want to print the numbers from starting to ending. Maybe some people written the code using for loop. Some people written the code using what? For loop. But writing the code is using for loop is not recommended here. Take the while loop condition. What the condition tell me? While tell me start less than or equal to what? End. Okay, start less than or equal to what? End, right? Assume like starting value is 4, ending value is 20. 4 less than or equal to 20. True, right? Then we need to print that number. There's the system dot out dot println of. We need to print the start number, right? Exact. Print the start number, then start plus plus we need to do. Then what happened, guys? This loop is repeated or not? Starting value, then loop is repeated, right? Incremented value, right? Loop is repeated. Assume like 20 less than or equal to 20 printed, then start value becomes 21. 21 less than or equal to 20 false, right? Then loop automatically stop. Is you got the point or not? See guys, the getting output is okay. Maybe you are writing the for loop. Some people written the for loop. You are getting some output also. Getting output okay, but way of writing the code also important, right? The code efficiency important. Do you agree or not? Yes. Just you can save this code in local disk D. The file is what? Test.java file. Local disk D test.java file. You just open the command prompt. Go to the file location and let me compile. How to compile a JavaScript application is what? Test.java. Why scanner system is spelling wrong? Okay, fine. The system dot in. So code is compiled fine. Errors are common. Yeah. Just you need to check that error, rectify that error. Small mistakes. So Java class is called which class here? Test class. Starting number 2, ending number 9. See guys, printed or not? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Are you clear now? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9, right? Exactly. So then code is running fine. So 34 to 333. Oh, you get all the values. Sir, can you please enter the starting value is the 9, ending value is the 2. No data is printed because data is not matched, right? Yes, we are giving increment value. Yes, we didn't give the decrement value, right? We give the just increment value means you'll get the upper values, right? 229 means valid code. Sorry, clear now. So if you enter the 3 and if you enter the 7, 3 to 7 is printed, right? It's very simple code, guys. Just enter the starting number, enter the ending value, and print the data from start number to ending number, right? Exactly. Guys, are you clear now? Yeah. Guys, can you please take this answer? Can you please write the answer? I hope everyone is maintaining the notes for these all assignments, right? Every assignment you can please write in one page. Maintain all the assignments here. Please maintain what all the assignments. Clear, right? Yeah. Guys, that is the assignment and corresponding answer. You please write the notes. Because up to this one, all assignments are important, Amma. I think you feel okay. All assignments are very important, right? Yeah, just you can comment it, guys. Comment it so that I can understand that these assignments are useful for you guys or not. Hmm? And like the video, comment the video, subscribe to my channel to get the more videos, and please share this information to your friends, yeah, so that you'll get the more info, some subject, right? Yes, because Amir paid classes mostly they are going for the theory, not going to help you. But Ratan Sir classes means practical knowledge. Yes or no? Eh? Yeah, so that's what you follow all the videos and you try to make it uh, practical. So thank you guys. Meet in next video. We'll go for the next question. Thank you.